Give. Stand up. Come on.
Whee!
Stand up. Stand up.
You got him on there. Get a workout.
Luke, what do you think? What do you think? Luke. Wee! His hand, it looks like he has, like, Tourette's or something.
Yeah, he's loving it.
He doesn't want this.
Is it fun?
You went down?
You went down?
Went down?
Down?
Down. Down.
Can you get down? I don't want his fingers under that.
Yeah. Okay, let's get down.
Get down.
Come on. Come on. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand, Luke. Give me your hand.
Are you going to stand up? You can bounce by yourself?
Okay, come on.
Good.
There you go. Good job. You want back on it? You want back on it? You want back up? You want back up?
Mom, watch his fingers. I'm freaking out.
Will you,
Actually, see, this is...
will you get Dan Klein's email address from him?